Welcome to Globe Arts. I'm Zoe and this is Jackie.
We really hope you enjoy our how-to tutorials.
I'm going to show you how to make a concertina book. So we're going to do a concertina book, and what you'll need for that is a long strip of paper, a ruler and a pencil. So you're going to take your paper, have it lengthways across the table, and we're going to fold it nice and neatly, edge to edge, make sure your corners are matching, and then you're going to press down and get a nice crisp edge all the way along there. Then you are going to use your ruler, and from one edge you're going to measure in 10, 20, 30, all the way till you get to the end of your paper. Then we are going to start folding. So with a concertina book you need to fold in one direction first, so I've done that way, then you're going to flip it over and you fold in the same direction again, and the notches that you've made are where you're folding. So you might want to unravel that one, line it up. Then the folded edge should match up to the next notch that you've got there. Press down, and then you're flipping over again and you're going in the other direction. And you do this all the way till you get to the end. Okay, and then at this point if you need to do any adjusting, mine's a little bit off on one edge and the other edge looks fine. So if we have the folded edge straightest, then we can always chop off from the edge that is open if we need to do any cutting of that side. And that is basically then your concertina book.